Tonight, before you close your eyes, you have a chance to plant a seed so powerful it can alter the course of your life. Two words, just two. Whispered softly, repeated gently, and carried into your dreams like a golden thread weaving new realities. For most people, sleep is just rest. But for people like us, people who are ready to manifest abundance, wealth, and freedom, sleep becomes a doorway to creation. You see, your subconscious mind never shuts off. Even when you are asleep, it is listening, it is recording, and it is shaping the events that unfold in your waking hours. And the moment just before you drift off to sleep is the moment when your subconscious is most open, most accepting, most willing to take in what you feed it. That's why these two words are not just words, they are codes, keys, signals sent into the deepest part of your mind to reprogram what you believe, and therefore what you receive. Now, for many of you, the word you're looking for is wealth. Wealth is not just money in your bank account. Wealth is opportunity. Wealth is freedom. Wealth is the key that allows you to care for your loved ones, to travel, to create, to give, to live on your own terms. When you repeat the word wealth before you sleep, you are giving your subconscious mind permission to open the gates of abundance, to release all the blocks that have kept money away from you, and to magnetize fortune in ways you could not have imagined. But here's the beauty. You don't have to use wealth alone. Maybe your heart longs for perfect health, maybe for love, maybe for inner peace. That's why I want you to choose two words that truly represent what you desire most in this season of your life. It could be wealth and health. It could be love and peace. It could be success and confidence. The formula remains the same. You whisper them gently just before your body sinks into the rhythm of sleep, and you let your subconscious take those words and create dreams that align with them. Why does this work? Think about it. How many times have you gone to bed stressed, angry, or worried, and then woke up the next morning still carrying that same heavy feeling? That's your subconscious holding on to the last thing you fed it. It doesn't argue, it doesn't judge, it accepts. And when it accepts, it projects, which means if you feed it worry, it gives you more reasons to worry. If you feed it doubt, it creates more doubts. But if you feed it wealth, pure, focused, and repeated with intention, it begins to weave that word into your beliefs, into your dreams, and into your reality. The richest people in the world don't just work harder, they think differently. They align their minds with the outcome before the outcome even exists. They understand that the seed comes before the tree and the thought comes before the result. You have that same ability. You are not meant to live in lack. You are not meant to struggle endlessly. You are meant to align with the energy of wealth. And tonight, just before you close your eyes, you will. So here's what I want you to do tonight. When you lie down, clear your mind for just 5 minutes. No distractions, no scrolling, no noise. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel gratitude for what you already have. Then softly, calmly, begin to repeat your two words. For most of you, start with wealth. Say it slowly as if you are already living it. Feel the comfort of financial freedom. Imagine yourself smiling as you hold your bank statement, showing more money than you've ever seen. Picture yourself paying off every debt, buying your dream home, surprising your family with gifts they never thought possible. Let the word wealth carry you there. And if you want to pair it with another health, love, peace, joy, choose the one that resonates most deeply with your soul. Remember, this is not wishful thinking. This is programming. Just like setting an alarm clock wakes you up at the exact time you choose, setting these words before sleep instructs your subconscious to align you with the exact reality you choose. It doesn't matter where you are now. It doesn't matter what has or hasn't worked before. When your subconscious accepts the word wealth as your truth, your outer world has no choice but to rearrange itself to match it. And I want you to do one more thing. Before you fall asleep tonight, type your chosen 2 words in the comments below. Claim them. Declare them. Share them with the universe in writing so the energy becomes even more powerful. The act of typing it makes it real. And as you share, you inspire others to step into their own wealth and abundance too. Part 2 will go deeper into how your subconscious builds on this practice night after night, and why repetition is the secret to turning words into reality. When you repeat these 2 words before you fall asleep, you're not just speaking, you're creating. The subconscious mind responds to repetition, rhythm, and feeling. That's why night after night, as you whisper wealth or any word you choose, your subconscious begins to accept it as truth. And once your subconscious believes, your reality must follow. Think of it like water carving through rock. At first, nothing seems to change. The rock looks solid, unmovable. But as the water flows day after day, it shapes the rock, smooths it, and eventually creates a path. Your repeated words are like that stream. At first, you might not notice much difference, but in time, your reality bends, your opportunities multiply, and suddenly you realize you are living inside the vision you once only whispered. The mistake most people make is expecting instant results. They try for a night or two, then give up because their outer world hasn't yet shifted. But your job is not to force. Your job is to trust, to repeat, to fall asleep holding the vibration of wealth or love or health, knowing that the invisible is already working for you. The seed doesn't sprout the second you bury it, but give it water, give it light, and it becomes unstoppable. Imagine yourself months from now. You wake up in the morning with opportunities knocking at your door, the job you've always wanted, the financial breakthrough you've prayed for, the freedom you once thought impossible. And you realize it all started here, with 2 words spoken before sleep, with a decision to align your inner world before the outer world could catch up. Tonight, when you close your eyes, repeat wealth. Feel it, live it, dream it. And if wealth is not your priority, choose your own 2 words. Whatever you desire most, let those words become the bridge between your conscious mind and your subconscious creation. Now, I want you to take action. Before you go to sleep tonight, type your 2 words in the comments. Share them boldly, because when you put your intention into writing, you strengthen the energy. And if this message resonated with you, make sure to subscribe, because this channel is dedicated to helping you master money manifestation, wealth alignment, and the mindset of abundance. Together, we are creating a community of dreamers who don't just dream, but manifest. The truth is simple. What you whisper before you sleep becomes what you live when you wake. So choose your 2 words wisely. Begin tonight, and watch as your dreams manifest before your very eyes. And here's something you must remember. Consistency is the real magic. It is not about saying the words once or twice and then waiting in doubt. It is about weaving these words into the fabric of your nightly routine until they become as natural as closing your eyes. Each repetition is like a drop of water, and every drop counts. Soon those drops become a stream, the stream becomes a river, and the river carries you straight into the abundant life you were meant to live. Do not underestimate the quiet power of this practice. Even while you sleep, your mind is building bridges, attracting opportunities, and rearranging circumstances in your favor. Night after night, you are programming yourself for wealth, for success, for freedom. And one morning, without warning, you will wake up and realize you have stepped into a completely new reality. That is the reward for staying faithful to this simple, powerful ritual.